Laying down roots. Understanding this English idiom. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating English expression, laying down roots. This phrase is rich in meaning and is commonly used in conversations. Understanding it can give you a deeper insight into English-speaking cultures. So, let's explore what it truly means to lay down roots. The phrase, laying down roots, doesn't involve gardening, but it's metaphorically similar. It means establishing a stable and permanent home or becoming part of a community. Just like a tree's roots provide stability and nourishment, laying down roots in a place or community provides a person with a sense of belonging and security. While the exact origin of laying down roots isn't clear, it's undoubtedly connected to the way plants grow and thrive. Roots anchor a plant in place and are essential for its growth and survival. This imagery beautifully translates to human experience, symbolizing stability, growth, and connection to one's environment. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. After moving around for years, they finally decided to lay down roots in the countryside. The community program is helping new immigrants lay down roots in the neighborhood. Despite living abroad for a while, she has laid down roots in the city, making it her true home. Laying down roots is not just about a physical location. It's deeply tied to emotional, social, and cultural aspects of life. It represents building lasting relationships, becoming part of a community's fabric, and creating a stable and secure environment for oneself and one's family. Laying down roots is a beautiful expression that conveys stability, belonging, and growth. Whether it's making a home, becoming part of a community, or establishing long-term relationships, laying down roots is a fundamental human experience. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this phrase. Happy learning, and may you find places and communities where you can lay down your roots and flourish.